Have you ever wondered about the fate of your old, discarded electronic gadgets? How do they impact our environment and climate? Well, sit tight as we delve into the alarming facts and figures of electronic waste, or e-waste, and its consequences on our planet. In a recent news report, it was revealed that global e-waste has hit a record high, with 62 million metric tons generated in 2022. Alarmingly, this waste is growing 5 times faster than our recycling rates. Only a meager 22.3% of e-waste was collected and recycled in 2022, leading to grave environmental and health risks. The recycling rate is predicted to plummet to a mere 20% by 2030. Now that's a cause for concern. E-waste isn't just an environmental issue, it's a climate problem too. These discarded gadgets require energy-intensive processes and contribute significantly to carbon emissions. Proper e-waste management can drastically reduce carbon pollution and reclaim valuable metals. However, despite the global concern, only 81 countries have e-waste policies in place. Manufacturers, too, have come under fire for not taking responsibility for their products' end-of-life disposal. Wealthy countries are being urged to stop dumping e-waste in countries with inadequate recycling capacity. Investment in infrastructure, repair, and reuse promotion is essential to address this escalating e-waste crisis. So, what are the key takeaways from this discussion? Firstly, e-waste is a rapidly escalating problem, growing 5 times faster than our recycling rates. Secondly, only a fraction of this waste is being recycled, leading to severe environmental and health risks. Thirdly, proper e-waste management can help reduce carbon pollution and reclaim valuable metals. And lastly, manufacturers and wealthier nations need to step up and take responsibility for the end-of-life disposal of their products. Remember, every electronic gadget we discard contributes to this growing crisis. It's time to rethink our consumption habits and work towards a more sustainable future, not just for us, but for generations to come.